we're excited to offer Native Plugs. This edition provides significant advantages, including higher success rates compared to seeding and reduced costs for large plantings. With dozens of native species available, these plugs are ready for a seamless integration into restoration projects and landscapes. Also, easy to use in popular garden trends like green mulching or matrix planting. From Blazing Star to Little Blue Stem, our plugs are available in quantities of 50 or 32 per species.
Johnson's Nursery has been growing native plants for a long time, and this is just a natural addition to basically what our customers keep requesting from us. We've been selling native trees to restoration groups for decades, so we thought just adding a perennial plug to our product line made a lot of sense.
These plugs are particularly ideal for restoration efforts in large plantings, where issues like watering and maintenance can pose challenges. By starting with plugs, you improve the likelihood of success, reduce waste, and ultimately save money. Incorporating plugs into existing plantings is a simple way to enhance biodiversity without the extra preparation required by seed.
When you outplant those into the real world, they're going to have deeper access to moisture and should establish even quicker, have less transplant stress. And once they're established, hopefully that means they're interacting with the environment and doing all the good we want them to do.
Thanks to their deeper root systems, our plugs experience minimal disruption during transplanting, closely mimicking the natural way plants establish themselves in prairies. Some species may even flower in the first year, while others focus on developing strong roots for long-term success. Higher success rates translates to faster results. These plants provide crucial food resources for pollinators and wildlife, delivering results within a time frame your customers will appreciate. Explore our full list of native plugs on our website at jniplants.com.